इंटेंसिव ट्यूटोरियल में एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है और मैं किरण सिन्हा मैम। और आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 6 साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर 4, दैट इज सॉर्टिंग ऑफ मटेरियल्स इनटू ग्रुप। अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर। तो चलिए इस इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर को एक धमाकेदार तरीके से हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं और जानने का कोशिश करते हैं कि एट द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर हम लोग क्या सीखने वाले हैं इस चैप्टर में। जब हम लोग इस चैप्टर को एंड करेंगे तो एट द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर you all will be able to understand how are objects around us placed into different groups, what are the different properties of materials, how can we materials be distinguished on the basis of different properties like appearance of the material, hardness, solubility, floatability, transparency, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, magnetic property. So many things we have to understand and we have to learn in this chapter. It's a very nice chapter. So let us start without wasting the time. The objects which we see around us are made up of different materials like wood, glass, rubber, plastic, cotton, etc. They all are made up of different materials and they have different shape, size and colors. For example, table, chair, bag, book, clothes, birds, cars, tree, these all are made up of different materials. So how do we group such a variety of objects? है ना? So that we are going to learn in this chapter. Things around us is made up of different materials. So now question arises कि what is material, है ना, कि materials क्या होता है ना. All the things are made up of material, then what is material? So substance from which all the things around us is made up of, that is called material. So all the things are made up of certain substance. That substance is called material. The material used by us in our daily life can be divided into 6 main groups. If you will see the things around in your room, you will find that all the things are made up of certain material like metal, glass, ceramics, wood, fibers, plastic. These are the main groups of the material from which all the things around us are made up of. Wooden furniture like table, chair, desk, benches, door, many more things in our house, at offices, in schools are made up of wood. In the same way, mirror, drinking glasses, thermos flask, cups, plates, bowls, screen of TV and mobiles, laboratory apparatus like test tube, beaker, jar, flask, these all are made up of glass. Many things are made from rubber like gloves, tires, plugs, erasers, balloons, hair bands. These all are made up of rubber. Another example, soft drink bottles, container for food and other consumer products, water bottles, peanut butter jar, milk and juice bottles, dishwashing and laundry detergent bags, grocery bags, food tray, rigid sheet used for packaging, electrical insulation, plastic coated wire, so wire coated with the plastic, है ना, irrigation pipes, these all things are made up of plastic. So rubber, plastic is another kind of the material from which many of the things in our house, office, schools, public places are made up of. So from the discussion it is very much clear that the things around us is made up of different material and they have different shape, size and color. So they appears different. So in our surrounding we see thousands and thousands type of things around us, and they all are made up of different materials. So it's a very big question for us कि how do we group such a variety of objects, है ना. It's a big question कि how we group such a variety of objects. So we group the things around us on the basis of certain similarities and dissimilarities. So type of grouping in which similar objects are kept together, placed together, is known as sorting of material, or you can say classification of material. So grouping of similar material is called sorting of materials. Now question arises कि why is it necessary to classify objects into different groups? See, in our everyday life we come across many instances where we need to arrange or classify the materials or sort the materials into different groups or categories. For example, when you go to library, you can see books arranged in a particular order. At home, when you go to your kitchen, you must have seen that your mother arranging groceries, utensils and different items of the kitchen in different racks or cupboard. Why she is doing this? Why librarians are keeping the books in different racks? So that this type of sorting or arrangement of the material help us to find the things easily when we need them at a time. If we will observe the things around us, we will find that an object may be made up of different materials. As for example, if we will look at the chair may be made up of wood, steel or plastic. It means the same object can be made up of different materials. Sometimes different object may be made up of same material. As for example, utensils, different type of the utensils in our kitchen are made up of the same material, that is steel. Glass, different materials are made up of the different objects are made up of the same materials. Different type of bridges are made up of the same material, that is steel, or you can say iron. Parts of the vehicle, different parts of the vehicle are made up of the same material, that is iron. So sometimes we can find कि an object is made up of different material. Sometimes we can find कि different object can be made up of the same materials. And one thing more we can observe in our surrounding, that sometimes an object may be made up of combination of material. As for example, when you drink soft drinks, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, whatever the soft drinks you are drinking, made up of different things, that is sugar, water and a gas dissolved in it, that is carbon dioxide. So soft drinks is made up of different materials. So things around us are made up of different materials. All the objects that we see and feel around us have definite mass and they occupy a definite space. We can say that these objects are made up of matter. So if we want to define the matter, we can say कि matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. So the characteristic feature of matter is they have mass and they occupy space. So the various objects and materials we discussed before this, these all are matter. Air is also matter since it has mass and occupy space. Though we cannot see it, we cannot see the air, but it is a matter. Now question arises कि matter have two characteristics, mass and volume. So what is mass? So mass is the amount of matter contained in an object and it is measured in mass, kg, gram, milligram, है ना, and the space which is occupied by the object is called its volume. So the things around us is made up of matter, and all matter is made up of tiny particles. That particles is called molecule. If you will crush a piece of chalk, you will find it is made up of tiny particles. So that tiny particles are called molecules, and each molecules are made up of atoms, है ना. So and atoms are still made up of tiny particles. You can say कि fundamental particles, that is electrons, protons and neutrons. So you can say कि electron, proton and neutrons combine to form atoms, atoms combine to form molecules, and molecules combine to form matter. Got it? So but atoms are not independent, molecules are independent. So molecules are a smallest unit of matter that can exist independently. So arrangement of molecules decides the physical states of matter, whether the matter will solid, liquid or gas. तो इस पार्ट में बस इतना ही. In the next part of the video we will discuss about the sum of properties based on which the materials can be grouped or classified. And yes students, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it, write your feedback and like the video and share with your friends.